Today I'm gonna review my TeaPal Club set that I received on January 1st. My TeaPal set from Gongfu, and I'm gonna pick it up today. So for me, this year was starting really strong with lots of good energies. Tea package came in this box very safely, and from Guangzhou to Merva it only took 8 days through Chinese EMS, which was very impressive. For this tea club set, I purchased 3 months worth of tea tasting at once so I could avoid the delivery fees, and then also why not? It's nice to try a bit of different tea in a smaller scale and then figure out like which one I like better. I already opened some of it. I already finished some of the teas, but I actually haven't went through all the teas that I've got, so I'm gonna do unpacking. So this is MyTeaPal logo. If you are not familiar with MyTeaPal, it's a tea community that you can connect with other tea drinkers around the world. There is also an app, there is also a Facebook community, there is a website. Vincent, who's the founder of this community, organizer of this community, puts a ton of efforts. So when I saw he was doing this TeaPal Club set, I just went ahead and ordered the tea club set. So the tea package arrived with this really cute card as well. I grew up in between of analog and digital era, so a bit of this like handwritten, something that puts more effort, touches my heart. So let me organize this mess. So this is February kit, January. February, March, February, March, February. So for January tea, I have this Meng Ding Shi Hua. Meng Ding Huang, Meng Ding A, Meng Ding B, Meng Ding Feng, Snowflake Jasmine green needle. So that's for January. For February, I have original Tibetan Tea A. I really like this purple color. Jasmine scented Tibetan Tea A. And original Tibetan Tea B. Osmanthus scented Tibetan tea. Golden flower Tibetan tea that I almost finished drinking. This got me confused because I couldn't really figure out whether this Jinhua was real Jinhua. But it is, it's just different style. And for March, Chuan Hong A already finished. Chuan Hong B, Lao Chuan Cha Black, Maison Ginger May, Chuan Hong Gongfu Floral Chord. In Northern Hemisphere, March is spring. Can look nice package that resembles spring like flower. And then I received these tea samples. So one thing I really liked about this package was based on region. From January to March, this package theme is Sichuan, China. And then it's a smaller amount of samples. It got super quick. It arrived super quick. And there are other MyTeaPal Club members that we can discuss and then compare tasting notes or share information. So it's a fun way to develop knowledge about tea. I look forward to tasting this tea and broaden my world of tea. Thanks for watching.